What is the atheist rebuttal to the design argument? Imagine looking at a watch and thinking it must have a watchmaker. That's what the design argument suggests about the universe. But what do atheists say in response? Let's explore that. The core of the atheist rebuttal is that natural processes, especially evolution by natural selection, can explain the complexity we see without needing a creator. Living things change over time through random mutations. These mutations are then shaped by environmental pressures, leading to complex adaptations. This process happens gradually and naturally, no designer needed. People often compare living organisms to human-made objects like watches. But this analogy falls apart because watches do not change or reproduce on their own. Living beings do. They evolve through natural mechanisms, which are well understood by science. This makes the analogy less convincing. Another point atheists make is about the laws of nature. They argue that these laws can be explained through physics and cosmology. The idea of fine-tuning, where the universe's constants seem perfectly set for life, can be explained by theories like the multiverse hypothesis. This suggests many universes with different constants exist, and we happen to be in one that supports life. So, the universe's apparent purpose is just a result of natural variation, not design. Critics also say that the design argument relies on gaps in scientific knowledge. When science cannot yet explain something, some claim it must be designed. But as science advances, many of these gaps close. Features once thought to be evidence of design are now understood through natural laws. This weakens the argument that gaps prove a designer exists. Finally, atheists point out that order and complexity can happen spontaneously. Crystals form naturally, whether patterns develop without a planner, and ecosystems evolve over time. These natural processes produce order without any need for a supernatural creator. In short, the atheist rebuttal focuses on explaining complexity through natural processes like evolution and physics. It rejects the idea that living organisms are like machines that requiring a designer. It also offers natural explanations for the universe's fine-tuning and warns against filling gaps in knowledge with supernatural causes. This approach relies on evidence and scientific understanding rather than assumptions of purpose or intent.